Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore security deposit accounting with Avail, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring security deposit accounting with Avail, log into your Avail account. Navigate to the Properties section on your dashboard. Select the property for which you want to restore the security deposit accounting. Click on the Financials tab located at the top of the Property Details page. Scroll down to find the Security Deposits section. If you see an option for Restore Security Deposit, click on it. Review the current accounting entries related to the security deposit. Identify any discrepancies or incorrect entries that need to be adjusted. Select the entry you want to modify and click on Edit. Make the necessary changes to the entry to reflect accurate information. If you need to add a new deposit entry, locate that Add Deposit button and click on it. Fill in the required fields, including the amount and date. Ensure all information is accurate before saving the new entry. Once all adjustments are made, review the complete security deposit accounting summary. Confirm that all entries are correct and aligned with your records. If everything looks good, proceed to save the changes. You can also generate a report for your records by navigating to the Reports tab. Select the Security Deposit Report option to view all adjustments made. Download or print the report as needed for your documentation. With these steps completed, your security deposit accounting should now be accurately restored in Avail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.